You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. There are 4 different ways of pronouncing this word. I know it looks simple, but yes, it's actually not that hard. Let's break it down. As a verb, alright? So a factory produces goods, right? A car factory produces cars. So now in the UK, the verb is to produce. You stress on the deuce syllable. I produce a lot of cookies. Produce. That's the verb, to produce. Now, the Americans say the same word, the same verb as produce, alright? Produce is the American pronunciation. That's for the verb. Produce or produce. To produce or to produce. Now, as a noun, when you go to a market or a supermarket, you buy some vegetables. A tomato, for example, is a produce. Same problem. The British will say deuce. The Americans will say deuce. Now, the stress goes on the first syllable. It's in the UK a produce. A tomato is a produce. Produce. The Americans would say produce. Okay, so 4 different ways of pronouncing this word. As a verb, it's pronounced to produce or to produce. As a noun, it's produce or produce. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let us know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.